Choosing where to host your app can be tricky, especially when you want something managed that takes care of the hard stuff. Two names you will hear a lot are Railway and Fly.io. Both promise easy deployment and strong performance, but they go about it in different ways. So, let's break down how they compare and which one might be best for your project. Railway is all about simplicity. Imagine you push your code to GitHub and your app is live in minutes. That is the experience Railway aims for. The dashboard is clean, and it automatically builds and deploys your app without making you worry about complex setup. It even handles databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL for you, so you can focus on building instead of configuring. Railway also gives you environment management for development, staging, and production. Everything feels smooth and integrated. What stands out most about Railway is how beginner-friendly it is. It is perfect for small teams, indie developers, and startups that just want to move fast. The pricing is usage-based, which means you pay only for what you use, and idle projects can go to sleep to save money. That said, because of its simplicity, you will have less control over where your app is hosted and how it scales across regions. It is designed to be quick and easy, not highly customizable. Fly.io, on the other hand, is built for developers who want more control. It lets you deploy your apps to data centers around the world, close to your users. That means lower latency and better performance if you have a global audience. You get to choose the regions, the machine sizes, and even how your network traffic is handled. Fly.io uses lightweight virtual machines, which makes it more like a modern, flexible infrastructure platform with managed features on top. The trade-off is that Fly.io requires a bit more technical comfort. You will be using the command line, configuring regions, and sometimes dealing with networking concepts. But that extra effort pays off if you need performance, reliability, or multi-region scaling. It is a great fit for teams that want control without going all the way into raw server management. So which is better? It really depends on what you need. If you want to launch quickly, keep things simple, and spend as little time as possible managing infrastructure, Railway is the easier choice. If you care about global performance, advanced scaling, and being closer to your users around the world, Fly.io will give you that edge. If you are building your first app or running a small business site, Railway might feel like a dream. If you are deploying something with heavier traffic, multiple regions, or performance-sensitive users, Fly.io might be worth the extra setup. Either way, both platforms prove that managed app hosting is evolving fast, giving developers real power without all the old headaches of server management.